Hello and welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about the temperate grasslands, and we are going to see where it lies and which are the temperate grasslands in the world. Okay, so the first point that we are going to discuss today is the temperate zone of the world. It says that there are two temperate zones on the earth. The northern temperate zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere. The southern temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic circles of the southern hemisphere. The grassland lies in these two zones. So there are two temperate zones on the earth. One is the northern temperate zone, which lies in the Arctic Circle, and the second one is northern hemisphere. The southern temperate zone lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic circle of the southern hemisphere. The grassland lies in these two zones. Okay, so these grasslands are the vast plains with tall grasses but few trees. In this grasslands you cannot find the trees over there, because only in these lands you can find the tall grasses, and trees are very less. Except of Antarctica, they are found in every continent. They are known by different names in each continent. Of this, the prairies and steppes are located in the northern hemisphere, while the veldats, downs and pampas are located in the southern hemisphere. The grasslands of the northern hemisphere lies in higher latitudes, so they have cold winter and hot summer. There is those in the southern hemisphere have moderate climate. In these lessons we will learn about the prairies of North America. So these are the grasslands, and if we discuss about the places where it is located, if we see in the northern North America, it is prairies. In southern America or the South America, it is pampas. Then Africa, it is veldt. Australia, downs. Russia, steppes. So we are going to see the temperate zones of the world, and it is going to make our chapter a very clear one, and we can understand which are the temperates or which are the grasslands and what are the names. Okay, so we are going to discuss about all these things. Names of the grasslands. The prairies of North America. The grasslands of North America is called prairies. Okay, the grassland which is in North America is called prairies, which means meadow grazed by cattle in French. They covered parts of USA and Canada. Okay, and it says that prairies once covered about 40% of the United States. Means if it covers not half but less than half of the United States. Today only 1% of them exists. This is because the grasslands are being changed into croplands. So grasslands have been converted into croplands. Okay, so the physical features, it says that there are bound by the Rock Mountains in the west and the Appalachian Mountains and the Great Lakes in the east. Towards the south lie plateaus and low hills. Okay, and Mississippi and Missouri rivers flow through this region. So in physical features, if we see that Mississippi and Missouri rivers flows through these regions. The prairies can be called seas of grasses because they are vast expanses of grasses covering a huge area with a very few scattered trees. Because in those places, or if we see in these places, we don't have trees, but only we have tall grasses, and it says that the amount of rain is not enough for trees to grow tall. Okay, they don't have enough rainfall, and that is the reason why the trees are not so tall. It is just enough for tall grasses, and it says that it is enough only for the tall grasses, and the trees are not so tall. Okay, we are going to see the other topics in the next video of this grassland, and the topics that we are going to see, that is climate, vegetations, wildlife, agriculture, and livestock rearing. And these are the topics that we are going to see it in the next video of the tropic of the temperate grasslands, and we are going to discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.